Welcome back to Jack and Julie's Learning Channel. Today we're going to learn about how quicksand hardens whenever pressure is put onto it, and it's going to be really hard to take out of something, like this bowl. So we use this book to help us out with these experiments that we're showing you guys. If you want to do what we're doing, then you can get one of these books on Amazon or something. So for this experiment, it's called cornstarch quicksand.
It is called the Newton's law. So whatever you apply force, it's hard to take out.
So where's my page? There. So today we're going to learn about cornstarch quicksand. So here's the instructions to it. So first we're going to add, what's this called? Cornstarch to the bowl.
2 parts cornstarch.
There's up on the wall.
That's okay, that's good. And then Jackson?
Jackson,
1 part.
We got a lovely assistant behind us.
She is helping us out, telling us what
Show
to
the cam. Show your whole face.
There's
One,
the thumb.
2 parts cornstarch,
She's
one
too scared.
1 part water. Okay, then
Can I mix it?
not
2
yet.
or 3
Drops. Just
One.
put,
2, 3.
Okay, now what do you do?
like, shake it.
No, just mix with your hands.
Oh, great. Just make it messy.
But make sure if you're wearing a white shirt. I feel so.
What the heck is it?
So what's happening right now?
Ooh.
It's getting
I
like.
got a big chunk.
It's getting hard as you touch it. Why?
Get the spoon. Get the spoon.
It's getting hard as you touch it. Why? What's happening?
It's getting.
Because of the Newton's law.
Because of Newton's law, you're applying force
So get the spoon.
and it's hardening. So tell it what happens when you step in quicksand when you guys what you guys have seen on TV.
You guys need to go watch Dora the Lost City of Gold. That's how we got this.
So there's this part where this guy says, "I ate these little chimichangas because they were in quicksand," and then it farted.
So what happens when you get into quicksand?
I can't take it
Do you
out.
sink or what happens when you get in quicksand?
You see.
And you get stuck in there, right?
And then if you panic, you go faster.
Oh, because there's force applied, so it hardens.
Jeez
So
Louise.
get your spoon, Julie, and try to put it through the
Okay,
spoon.
it's on the table.
Yeah, that's fine. Try to put it through the spoon, see what happens. There's no force, see? So when you put the force with your hands, it hardens, right?
You gonna catch her with the spoon?
Mommy, I got on the tear. Okay, make sure that you can do this at home.
But just throw it away.
Yeah, throw it away when you're done.
Why?
Because
If it hardens, what's it gonna do to the drain?
it's gonna clog it.
Make sure-
Okay, bye. Bye.